Hello, everyone. We are in the BNB Chain and Infium Founders Academy with one of our founders. Thibault is the founder of BlockBoosted, which is a crowdfunding 3.0 platform. And I hope I pronounced Drouot is his last name. So hopefully I did better with the first name.
Thank you. So yes, I'm Thibault, the co-founder of BlockBoosted, which is a crowdfunding, Web3 crowdfunding platform. So the idea with BlockBoosted was that there was a problem with standard crowdfunding platform that we found. Basically, the standard crowdfunding platform charge huge fees. Usually it's about 8 to 10% of the total amount raised by the creators of the campaign. If we had the platform fees and all the payment processing fees. Also, there was an over-centralization on a few actors and a lack of transparency from all this platform that had all the rights to cancel a campaign at any time, for instance. And the third problem we thought of was that the users were not really rewarded for, especially the donors, which are obviously essentials in crowdfunding ecosystem. So thinking about that, we thought of a solution thanks to the blockchain technology, and that's how we created BlockBoosted. So our solution gives low fees thanks to blockchain. We don't have any more payment processing fees. We only have the blockchain gas fee, which on BNB chain especially is very low. It's almost zero. And a smaller platform fee as well. We have the blockchain transparency, and we are a community based. And as well, we wanted to add rewards for donors. So each donation will allow users to receive some BBST tokens. I'll explain that later, but it's our token, so our token. So about the timing, we can see that crowdfunding is still raising. The amount of money raised with crowdfunding, thanks to these methods, is still going up. So the market's projected to double in only 3 years. And obviously Web3 as well is growing fast. And we've seen in the last couple of years a high demand of such platform, because we saw a lot of personal initiatives to raise funds in crypto, for instance, but there were no environment or structure or platform to do so. So that's why we thought of creating BlockBoosted. So this is a preview of a platform which is available on mainnet, on BSC, on blockboosted.com. So our platform, the idea was to make it as user-friendly as possible, keep what made crowdfunding platform a success, so very easy to use, let the ability for anyone to create a fully customizable campaign, and also that the creators of those campaigns could set different tiers and different rewards for their donors. For instance, you could set a tier at like 10 BUSD and say for every donation of 10 BUSD, you will get, I don't know, my last ebook as a reward, for instance, or anything. It could be physical, it could be online, digital, whatever. So you can look for campaigns on a website easily, as you could do on a site like Kickstarter, for instance. And according to different categories, you just select the plan, the amount you wish to raise, and you have a MetaMask pop-up that opens, and you just have to confirm your transaction, and in a few clicks, it's done. So this is the key points of our platform. You can raise and obviously donate in crypto. We support at the moment 2 cryptocurrencies, BNB and BUSD, and we will add BBST later. I will talk about it when the token will be emitted, of course. We have so low fees. We provide no payment processing fees, 0 platform fee when the people use our own token. That's an incentive for people to use a token, and only a 3.5 platform fee 3.5% platform fees if the raise is done in another cryptocurrency. We also added rewards as its incentive, so it will be an amount of BBST tokens that will be distributed among the donors about the users of the protocol every week. So it's just an incentive for people to donate as well. And it's community focused, as it will be the community that chooses the featured project thanks to a like score for each campaign. And in the future, we will add governance as well for BBST holders. So let's talk a bit about the BlockBoosted token. So BBST, it will be a BP20 token that will power our crowdfunding ecosystem that will be available in the next version of the app. So as I just told you, there will be limited amount of BBST distributed every week. So this ensures low dilution amongst the community and a direct use case as well on a website with the 0% fees when it's used as the raising currency. Also in the community part, so there will be governance and also you can vote for your favorite campaigns, and the more BBST you have, the more weight your vote will. In the future as well, we would love to develop more features with the BBST tokens. We can think, for instance, or to have some campaigns that will be available only for people who have a certain amount of BBST, at least for a few days before, for instance, to be open for everyone. And this is the tokenomics for our tokens. So as you can see, we're really focused on the community here with a big amount reserved for platform rewards. So that will be distributed over time for BBST rewards, and maybe staking. We will see that with the community later. So about funding, as a crowdfunding platform, we wanted to get funded by the community mainly, and we want also fair distribution of a token. But to make a successful public sale of our token and getting funded thanks to that, we need a little bit of money to start, and that's why we're looking to raise $120,000 from all the investors and partners, ideally thanks to a private token sale, so a safe agreement for future tokens. And this way we'll be able to do successful public sale, especially because of marketing costs, about $100,000, legal and audit costs for the rest. So I'll talk about our future plans for BlockBoosted as well. We plan to develop the platform and create a bigger crowdfunding ecosystem, not only just one crowdfunding platform, but we also are developing at the moment BlockBoosted for Creators, which is a new platform, like a sub-platform dedicated really only for content creators. So content creators, they will be able to create their own page that will be linked to their social media, and it will be like a donation hub in crypto for them and for the community. And it will have a big impact for a platform as well, because they have a big communities and they will bring traffic to the platform if they promote their own page, of course, to get donations from their community. And as a content creator myself, this is a feature I would love to develop, and we are currently working on that. So it should be online in a few months. This is the roadmap. So we released the first version on BNC mainnet a few months ago. Now the next thing is the release of this content creator related platform. As soon as we can, we will launch the BBST token, and then after the BBST token, we will have the V2 on BSC, which will include obviously the use of BBST token and all the things I've told about the 0% fees for BBST. Then will come the governance and the first BBST rewards from the first month of the protocol. Multi-chain support is also a thing that we're thinking of maybe in the future, and we will talk about with the community to see which chain other than BNB chain could be good for the evolution of the platform. So this is our team. So we are 3 blockchain engineers, actually, and at the moment we are still 2 working on the projects full time. So myself and Malcolm, which is my associate in the projects. And if you have any question, you can contact us directly on our email or on Telegram, and can see our website on blockboosted.com.